Hi, my name is Cristian Alfaro. Uh, Discovery Santa Marta and the Lake City Perdit. Welcome to my talk. Hello, everybody. My name is Cristian. I'm the Life Santa Marta, one of the most amazing city in Colombia. Santa Marta is located on the Caribbean coast, and its famous is beautiful beach are hair-frame people. Is small the Bogota based car white car perfect my cafe. Here you can eat the sight, the moment and the hunger and the one place. My favorite Ciudad Perdida, the lost city. On the most incredible place near Santa Marta is Ciudad Perdida. Also called the lost city is why it was built by the Tayrona Civic more than the 30 years old, long before Machu Picchu is Peru. The place is hit did the Sierra Nevada Mount Tiber, sound tour by natural and mysterious style. Last year is visit Ciudad Perdida with some friends. They need the long and the heat, but every Monday was one it. The crush rabbit cried he and the split in horny I star when the top is beautiful is beat and the energy of the place. Is why espírito experience y hay free connection con naturaleza and to my road as Colombia. Ciudad perdida queda alrededor de 60 kilómetros de la ciudad de Santa Marta. Wildlife Santa Marta. Santa Marta is more tied with touristy city and my home. People here I think you and are really to here visit. Where with I'm going to the Rodadero Beach or visit the historic center where you and find color house, music and delicious food. You can visit Taganga, a small thin village perfect to drink and share the sunset. What the love, what I love the most is that you can go from the beach, the mountain is the lose the 2 hours. And please here you relax, explore and find a level. Tips from visitors. I ever come Santa Marta here the summertime. Bring the corn conference show the sheep. Till the local food the calle, arepa de huevo, and French share. Visit Tayrona National Park and Ciudad Perdida, Euro Represent. Respect natural and the indigenous community. The party and the mark the expression. Thank you very much.